Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can make the WWE 2K25 game safe for creators. So let's get started right away. If you wish to stream or upload videos from WWE 2K25, then you will need to disable music. In order to do this, just open up the game and from the homepage, navigate to the right until you see the audio volume section. Just enter this page and now you can change the audio volume level of various different parameters. If you simply turn off the music by sliding it all the way to 0, this will be enough to avoid any copyright as well. You can also turn on the creator safe mode by simply setting this option to on, and now the music will disappear from your settings. Just accept your changes, and once your changes are saved, you will not hear any music within the game, and this also includes superstar entrance music. You can turn this setting back off whenever you wish in the future by going back into audio volume once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make the WWE 2K25 game safe for streaming. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.